You're watching Mom I Love and I am Shubhoshri. You can also find us at our website www.momilove.com. So today our topic is 5 indoor kids activity to increase family bonding. So as we are going through a very difficult period during the COVID-19, you can understand how difficult it has been to stay at home and to keep entertaining our children at home. So today we will find out 5 activities which we can do with our kids very easily within our home, and that will also help your child and you to increase a bonding within your family. So here are the 5 points for you. First is, you can try growing a plant together. That is good for the earth, that is good for us, that is good for your child. So there are so many positive points about growing a plant together. So this will give your child a learning experience, like from a seedling how can it grow, or just from a seed from your kitchen how the plant can grow. So the whole process from getting the soil and planting a seed, everything will give your child an experience, a live experience, that how the food comes to their plate. They can also learn very important things regarding plants and foods, and this will help them to do less wastage of their food. You can easily take one seed. For example, what I tried with my child is, we bought pumpkin from the market, and while we cut the pumpkin, we took the seeds from there. The best seeds were inside the pumpkin. So we took it and we prepared just those styrofoam cups or paper cups or plastic cups. You can take anything, so in which you can pour a little bit of soil. So we took one paper cup. So inside that we put a layer of soil, potting soil. Then we put that seed and again covered it with soil. So regularly we were watering that. My child was very curious about when the plant will grow up, but she learned so many things from there. We have a nice picture we can share with you. The second is family exercise every morning. So as we are at home and we are very less active these days, so it is better to start an exercise routine, especially in the morning, along with your family. Get involved, maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes or even 5 minutes will do. That will help all of you to be in shape, to get your metabolism in upwards. So you can try this exercising routine every day with your child and family. The third is playing memory game with your child. I have seen that my daughter, she has picked up much interest in playing memory game. So I introduced this game to her a few days back. For those of you who doesn't know what is family game, or that is somewhere in your memories, I am just here to remind you that memory game is, for example, your child, 3 of you are playing, for example. So your child says apple, so the second person has to say apple, banana, or any word, apple, banana, for example, and the third person has to say apple, banana, chair, and then again your child will say apple, banana, chair, pineapple, like that. So every time we are going to add one word, but we will keep those words which is already said by some member into the proper sequence, and then add another word to it. So this will help your child in building memory. So they will build a strong memory by playing this game. Then is teach your child a new skill. For example, when we are staying at home, we have a great opportunity to learn something new. So we can help our child to learn something new. Maybe you or any other family member who knows something, who is familiar with a known skill set, you can pass that on to your child. But if there is not enough to teach, if you are not willing, or if you think that there is not much I can do about this, I need to have an expert for this matter, then these days there are many online classes who are providing child art classes, dance classes, even I have seen piano classes or any other instrumental learning classes are going on. So this will help your child to be focused and be in the mood, so that they don't easily feel too bored these days. And the last is try DIY to increase family bond. So there are so many DIY craft you can do. So what is the best thing about DIY is it gives you enough scope, enough space to spend with your child. When your child enjoys doing what she is doing with you, then it really helps you to create a bond with them. So last week what I tried with my child is creating a flower bouquet. Like it was, she just painted roughly in one A4 size paper with all the colors she had, and then I cut out flower petals and the whole, like for example 3 flowers in a pot. So after she painted that paper, I cut that out and then I stick in another paper. That came out very nice, and she was very happy that she has contributed to this work. See, DIYs with kids is not about perfection. It's all about how you and your child is enjoying it. So I hope you will be trying these activities at home, and that will help to keep your child focused during this stress time, and it will also help you to build a great family bond with your child and with your partner. So this is all for today. If you are liking these videos, please write to us, and also write back if you have any request for further videos. Thank you.